$7 restitution to SAPD for laboratory testing. If all right, court is calling 2021 CR 7498, State of Texas versus Jacquellyn C. Sanchez. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Daniel S. Clark, the State of Texas.
Defense?
Here, Corey for Jacquellyn Sanchez, defendant, Your Honor.
Are you Ms. Sanchez?
Yes.
I'm going to show you what's entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same Jacquellyn C. Sanchez who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2021 CR 7498 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance? Penalty Group 1, 4 grams.
This is where things heat up. Pleading true to a probation violation opens the door for up to 20 years in prison. Think about that. One missed drug test and a lot on the line. Do you think the punishment fits the violation? Let me know in the comments.
Grams to 200 grams on December 10th, 2021 for a period of 3 years. Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Violating condition number 2, on or about the 12th day of February 2024 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Jacquellyn C. Sanchez, did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the court officer, supervision officer, and or duly authorized agent of the court in violation.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True, ma'am.
Your Honor, state result of violations.
Any objection?
There.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation?
Did you catch that? Sanchez was originally on deferred adjudication, which means the court held off on finding her guilty as long as she followed the rules. But now the prosecution wants to revoke that deal. Why? Keep watching. The stakes just got very real.
Condition number 2. All right, you're whispering.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, it's for 2 years TDC.
That is our proposed agreement, Your Honor.
All right, why should I give her the minimum? What has she done on probation?
Judge, I can tell you that she did complete drug court. Unfortunately, she kind of fell short in reentry court. She had tons and tons of negative UAs. She had been working really, really hard. I believe that the underlying offense was 7 grams, so I know it's 4,200, but it was closer to the 4 than it was 200. And so she does have 139 days in jail. She just really just wants to put this behind her and move on with her life. She tells me she's been working for 2 years at the Tower of Americas. She's hoping they'll keep her job open for her, depending upon how, if you follow the recommendation, how long it takes for her to parole. She's got a house that she bought. Her kids are living in it. They've been paying the rent. She's hoping that will sustain itself while she's gone. But she just wants to put this behind her and move on. But she did do a significant amount of work on this probation.
All right. Do you want to raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right. You can lower your hand. State your name for the record.
Jacquellyn C. Sanchez.
All right. Why didn't you do well in drug court?
Sorry, what was that again?
Why did you not do well in felony drug court?
I didn't have the money to pay for the UAs now.
No. Felony drug court usually will not remove you from their program because you can't pay UAs. Are you telling the court that you were removed from felony drug court because you couldn't pay for the UA?
I had a relapse. She actually graduated from drug court, and then she went to the reentry. So I think she completed drug court. So I don't think she had a problem doing drug court. I think it's when she got out.
So here's my question. Why did they remove you from their reentry program?
Because I drank 4 beers now. I'm a 23rd.
No, usually it's more than that because felony drug court usually understands relapses. Am I wrong in that? Do they not understand that you had a relapse?
They usually do, ma'am. This time, they felt like I played them.
What do you mean by they felt like you played them?
They felt like I was lying to them.
Okay. All right. Probation?
Judge, the note that was court.
Well, just 1 second. Any objections to probation giving me some insight in whether or not I should follow this agreement?
Okay.
And also, they found on my phone that I was trying to get methadone for a friend because he relapsed and he was trying to get clean, and that's what I was doing. And I had somebody else ask me. I was looking for marijuana for somebody.
Wait a minute, what?
I was looking for marijuana for somebody. They asked me to look for it. They text me if I could find it, and I told them yeah, but I never got to doing that.
Oh, so now we're getting to the point. So you were in felony drug court in the reentry program, and you were looking for drugs for other people.
I think she was looking for methadone and possibly marijuana. She's not, the perfect probationer, but that's what she told me, Judge. I don't think it was.
I made a mistake, Judge. I'm sorry.
Did you catch that? Sanchez was originally on deferred adjudication, which means the court held off on finding her guilty as long as she followed the rules. But now the prosecution wants to revoke that deal. Why? Keep watching. The stakes just got very real.
Nope, you made choices. They're not mistakes, they're choices. All right, is there anything else?
Judge, again, we just ask that you consider the fact that she did spend a lot of time in drug court. She has been straightforward with you, I believe. And ask you to follow the state's recommendation of 2 years TDC.
All right, and do you want me to hear from probation or no, counsel?
Sure.
Yeah.
I don't think my client's trying to hide anything, Judge.
Okay. Probation?
Information that was received from felony drug court was she did finish the program successfully. However, during the aftercare portion, there were UA tests with positive PTSD results, and according to conducted in text messages revealed that communicating with negative contacts and negotiating the sale of illegal drugs.
Did you catch that? Sanchez was originally on deferred adjudication, which means the court held off on finding her guilty as long as she followed the rules. But now the prosecution wants to revoke that deal. Why? Keep watching. The stakes just got very real.
It's a job to felony drug court to see if they'd be willing to accept for that. Sincere not.
All right, so this is what the court is going to do. As previously stated, the court is finding violation of condition number 6 true. So I think I'm sorry, number 2 true. Thank you. Violation of condition number 2. The court is finding that to be true. There's a $1,000 fine. Time and money for run concurrent. Was the $57 ever paid for the laboratory testing? Do you know if you ever paid that?
Drug court?
Okay. Oh.
No.
Okay. I show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? All right, did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it?
I'm just leaving to me.
Okay.
You understand?
All right, did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
All right. Because this is not, I did not follow your proposed agreement with regards to sentencing. You do have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you are on deferred adjudication. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. Good luck to you. Even though you're going to the prison, if you get out of prison and you need help, you feel as though that's not being addressed, so you don't know who to contact. Felony drug court is always available. Okay. Thank you. Good luck. Today is the plea deadline date. Is he accepting the offer, or does he wish to have a jury trial?
I haven't been able to confer with the state.
No,
So
I'll-
the last
go ahead. I'm sorry.
Judge, the last time we were here, I wanted to verify what case he had pending out of San Patricio County, and I was not here this morning. I had another appointment, and so I was recalled to 1:30.
All right. So did you confer with San Patricio County?
I did.
And
He's on probation until 2027. And
All
then
right.
he has some certificates, and I want to tender those to the state, and I want to confer with them, but we obviously haven't had an opportunity to speak.
all right. So this is going to be recalled. Next time, you can't wear shorts for court. Do you understand?
I understand. I apologize.
All right. This is going to be recalled, and it's going to be recalled on Monday, the 18th. You need to be here on time at 9 a.m. Counsel, if you're not in a jury trial out of county or somewhere else in the felony court, you're going to need to be here on time at 9 a.m. We're coming back on March 18th.
I have
I'm missing work because
He
I'm in San Patricio.
lives in San Patricio County.
Sorry to hear that. However, March 18th.
I know, Judge, but I have a civil matter on the 18th, but I'm here on other cases on the 19th.
All right, see y'all back on March 18th. Felony criminal court takes precedent over civil unless that is juvenile civil.
Can resume.
Sorry.
Can we do?
All right.